In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Calendly from Google Calendar. If you're looking to make some changes to your integrations, or simply want a fresh start, then stick around as I guide you through the process step by step. First, let's begin at the Calendly homepage. This is your central hub for scheduling and organizing meetings. Once you're there, you will need to navigate to the Integrations and Apps section. You can find this option conveniently positioned in the left-hand menu. Click on it. Here, Calendly presents a wide array of integration possibilities that you have set up or can set up. But for today's purpose, we'll focus on Google Calendar. As you scroll through your integrations, keep an eye out for Google Calendar. Locate it, and once you have found it, click on it. Upon clicking, this link will take you to a dedicated page for managing your Google Calendar settings within Calendly. Here, you'll find options and information specific to this integration that will help you keep track of its usage and connectivity. Next, look closely at the options presented on this page. You'll notice there's an X icon situated beside the Google Calendar entry. Clicking this X is what initiates the disconnection process. It's a straightforward icon, but before clicking, make sure you're ready to proceed, as this action will remove your Google Calendar from being linked with Calendly. Once you are confident about your decision, click that X. As simple as it sounds, this action will successfully disconnect your Google Calendar from Calendly. There won't be any pop-up confirmation dialogues, so it's pretty direct. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar is now removed from Calendly. That's all there is to it. It's a fairly uncomplicated process once you know where to locate the integrations and handle the disconnection. In this digital age, managing our calendars and schedules effectively can be pivotal to maintaining a seamless workflow. And knowing how to manage these integrations is a valuable skill. By understanding how to disconnect and manage these connections, you ensure you have complete control over your scheduling needs. Remember, you can always reconnect your Google Calendar or integrate other apps if your priorities change over time. This flexibility can be really empowering. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into any difficulties, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.